Today we're gonna be going back to YouTube finally. Yeah. Well, you can see. Let's take a picture. Oh, let's get it. See, this is my bike. Okay, that's my bike. That's my dad's motorcycle. And this is my sister's bike, but her tires are flat. Let's see. This is my big truck. That's my mom's car. Well, my stepmom's car, but okay. Okay, that's my sister's bike, the old one. And that's my sister's scooter, the old one. Well, it's not, it's broken. That's my brother's wagon. Just letting you know. And today, we're gonna work our way like that. Of course, you gonna copy me with the video. Look, that's inside. Crap. Whoa, bro. Like, whoa. Well, yeah. We're going to work our way to our go-kart. The man said that if we ride it on a dirt road, so you see, it's gravel road, right? He owned all that land. And when we first got the go-kart, we was just kept riding out. Well, I could drive it really, but sister, she drives it, but she goes all around the place. Yeah, but we only could drive on dirt road. But this is the point. That is his, like, that's his land, and he don't want us driving on it, because if we get hurt, she gonna think we try to sue him. Now you see, ain't that dumb? Right, ain't that dumb? That's so really dumb. Well, yeah, this thing is fast, bro. All that gear. He didn't ride it in a long time, so that's why it's dusty. Yeah, boy. That thing go like, dang. Okay. So yeah, that's my brother's toy. We about to get DirecTV today, though. We already have Wi-Fi. We've been had Wi-Fi for a long time. Soon, last Christmas. My brother training well bike. Go that back. Trying to get you in me. Well, yeah, that's most likely. But I'm gonna show you inside. You heard me? See you next time. Inside. That's the bathroom. Need to show you this, bruh. Need to show you this, bruh. Do you see it? It's full. That's full. Ice cream cone. What's that? Whoa. All that Lunchables. Let's go. We go to school tomorrow, though. But yeah, work our way back outside, guys. Well, I just noticed I didn't share on my room. I didn't share it, so let's get it. It ain't that much dirty, though. That's my thing that I like to set up. Look at the wall. That's my school bag. This is the VR. This is that VR. The VR. The VR, boy. That's the VR. I have some good news to show y'all. Be right back. I'm back, guys. Look at this. Y'all want to see it? Y'all want to see it? See what I'm going to say. There you go. Boy. A rapid fire. You can put a scope on this thing and everything. I need to show all my bullets. I'm right here, guys, on the floor. Right there. I didn't show all my bullets. Is that because I lost like half of them. So, and my sister had to split our bullets. Because we couldn't really find 25. That's why we had to split our bullets. But yeah, this gun is like, it's good, bro. It has a little knob that you can twist on it right here. I think it's to make it go faster and slow. Yeah, like, I'm gonna take y'all for a ride. I'm just playing to get none of y'all for a ride. But love you guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Just saying, but I'm not leaving now though. I'm about to show y'all the rest of the stuff. Hey boy, get out of my room, boy. I'm just playing. Me and my baby brother. Baby brother. Stop. You see my good baby brother. Boy. Say hey. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Say hey. Turn right off. Just let you know. This is my sister's room. Kinda always messy, but okay. That's my dad's mom's room. Pretty clean. What are you blowing, boy? See you guys outside. Alright, back outside. Talk to the camera. To the camera. Yeah. Okay, now I'm done. Wait, there we go. There we go. Okay, that's my bike. My bike. So goodbye, guys. Hope you hit the subscribe button.